done, there's more to come. Learn. Q is for queen with a royal smile. R is for robot with dancing style. S is for snake that slithers by. T is for turtle who's kinda shy. Whirl, twirl, twirl, QRS. Learning letters is the best. Sing it loud and sing it proud. Let's go dancing through the crowd. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for van that drives away. W is for worm that wiggles slow. X is for X-ray bones on